Oh, hey folks, Elder Law Care Attorney Patrick Kelleher. Folks, today's question is, what is the difference, Patrick, between a revocable trust versus an irrevocable trust? Folks, pull up your chair because today I'm going to answer that question. Folks, pay attention. This is a very good way for you to remember this. And this is the way I explain it to our clients, okay? Revocable trust, so long as it's funded with your treasures in your treasure chest, will slay the three-headed beast, which is probate court. If it has the proper tax planning in there, the tax man, it can slay the tax man as well for the estate death tax. And number three, if it has a proper asset protection, bloodline protection language in there, it can also slay what we call financial creditors and predators. What is that? Times of turmoil. What is that? Lawsuits, automobile accidents, in-laws becoming outlaws in a contentious divorce proceeding. This is asset bloodline protection for your children, maybe even your grandchildren. So as a recap, revocable trust, so long as it's funded or titled with your assets, and so long as it has the proper legal language in there, will slay the three-headed beast. Probate court, a lot of folks want to avoid probate. Costs too much, takes too long. Number two, the taxing authority for the estate death tax. You may have a state estate tax in your state. Make sure you look into that because Massachusetts has one. There's 12 states in the country that still have a state level estate tax. And of course, there's federal estate tax, which applies to all if your estate exceeds the federal estate tax threshold. Number three, financial creditors and predators. Hopefully it never happens, but it's a nice, comfy sweater in the toolbox or in the treasure chest to provide for your loved ones, to give them what I call better than a gift, give them what we call a protected gift. One thing the revocable trust does not protect against is the metaphorical fourth-headed monster, folks. What is that? Nursing homes, long-term care. How much are nursing homes? Well, in here in Massachusetts, at $15,000 per month or more, private pay. So revocable trust does not protect from nursing homes or Medicaid or long-term care. In order to do that, folks, you typically need to create, from our experience, irrevocable Medicaid asset protection trust, okay? So there you have it, folks. That's the distinction. Revocable trust will protect from the three-headed monster, but not the fourth-headed monster. Hence the reason why a lot of our clients, when they have enough to worry about, they have sufficient equity in their home, they're of age, 65 or older, and they desire to get that 5-year clock running to protect their home from nursing home or Medicaid, they put their home only in the irrevocable Medicaid asset protection trust, and then they put their cash assets in the revocable asset protection trust to keep it out of probate, keep it out of the tax man's hands, and to give their loved ones a protected gift. There you have it, folks, the difference between revocable versus irrevocable trust. A lot of folks will ask, Patrick, do I need both? You may not need them. It all depends on what you want, what you desire, what your dream snapshot is when you're up in your cloud. If you desire to do the 3 Ps I talk about in my book, How to Avoid the Four-Headed Monster on Amazon, you want to protect what you worked hard for, you want to preserve the value, and you want to do the third P, pass it on as a meaningful legacy to the people you love the most. Typically, yes, you want to create both revocable trust and irrevocable trust because you need to get that 5-year clock running on the irrevocable trust to protect from the metaphorical fourth-headed monster. Folks, hopefully this video helped you on the difference between revocable versus irrevocable trust. Now go out there and slay that four-headed beast. Thanks for joining us here today. Be sure to subscribe and share this information with others that you care about. Thank you.